Welcome students, welcome to the video class. And today we will do some numericals. Then we will move to the topic, that is current is a magnetic dipole. ठीक है? Okay. So last video class we have discussed potential energy of a magnetic dipole in a magnetic field. Potential energy of a magnetic dipole that is placed in a uniform magnetic field. So in that case, we have taken zero potential energy position is this position. So in this position, the potential energy is zero, and in this position, the angle made by the magnetic field with the magnetic dipole is 90 degree. So we can say U 90 degree is equal to 0. And after that, we have derived that this potential energy is equal to U is equal to minus mb cos theta, where theta is the angle made by the magnetic field with respect to the magnetic dipole. Or in vector form, we can write this U is equal to minus m dot b. Okay. So the special cases are, if theta is equal to 0, so cos 0 is 1. If cos 0 is 1, so cos 0 does the one angle, U is equal to minus mb. So U is equal to minus mb, or we can say this is minus sign hochi, that's why you can say the potential energy is minimum, that is U minimum is equal to minus m into b. ठीक है? तो zero position means this is theta, 0 means this is 0 position. So in this position, if this is the external magnetic field, so external magnetic field of north theta, south theta. तो बार मैग्नेट रो north eta south eta, so this north is attracted towards the south and the south is attracted towards the north, so that means two equal and opposite forces, they cancel each other. So we say this is a stable equilibrium position. So it is stable equilibrium position. हमें एमती भी कोई परिवा एनर्जी मिनिमम स्टेबिलिटी मैक्सिमम हमें जानी चाहिए. तो इन दिस केस एनर्जी इज मिनिमम, तो स्टेबिलिटी इज मैक्सिमम. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज केस 2 रे, इफ थीटा इज 90, यदि थीटा टा 90 पकेवा तो cos 90 केते हबो 0, तो दैट मींस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज 0. तो दैट इज रेफरेंस 0 पोटेंशियल एनर्जी पोजीशन एटा में नहीं छे. नेक्स्ट इज इफ थीटा इज 180 डिग्री, 180 डिग्री मीन्स एटा को उल्टा रोटेट हे जो एमती, तो नॉर्थ टा एपड़ पळे आसियो, नॉर्थ टा बोले कि एपड़ पळे आसियो, साउथ टा बोले कि एठी पळे आसियो. ठीक है. तो इफ थीटा इज 180 डिग्री, cos 180 is -1, cos 180 is -1 पुट करियो, तो -1 माइनस, तो प्लस हो जिवो, तो U is equal to mb. Here this is positive, so we can say potential energy is maximum, so we can say U max is equal to mb. Here energy is maximum, तो stability is minimum. देखिए, तो यदि एटा को एमती रोटेट करिबा, this is my north, this is my south, this is north, this is south. north north repel करिबा, north pole of external magnetic field repel the north pole of bar magnet. Similarly, south pole of this external bar magnet repel the south pole of bar magnet. These two forces are equal and opposite. किंतु एटा को जल्दी टिके एपट सेपट हेबो, तो से टोटली रोटेट करिकी ए पोजीशन को पळेवा आसीबो. That's why this is called unstable equilibrium position. ठीक है. Okay, next we will do some question. The question is, a short bar magnet is placed with its axis at 30 degree with a uniform external magnetic field of 0.16 Tesla. Experience a torque of magnitude 0.032 Newton meter. find the magnetic dipole moment of the magnet. And second is find the potential energy at stable and unstable equilibrium position. Again I am saying a short bar magnet is placed with its axis 30 degree with a uniform external magnetic field of 0.16 Tesla. So there is a bar magnet which is placed 30 degree with the external magnetic field, that is 0.16 Tesla. ठीक है. Experience a torque of magnitude. It experiences a torque of magnitude 0.032 Newton meter, or that is 32 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton meter. ठीक है. Find the magnetic dipole moment of the magnet. So you have to find the magnetic dipole moment. Second question, you have to find the potential energy at stable and unstable equilibrium position. So stable equilibrium position, this is the potential energy is minus m into b, or it is minimum potential energy. Unstable equilibrium position, the potential energy is max, that is equal to m into b. You have to find all this. Okay, first we have to find the magnetic dipole moment of the magnet. Okay, we know that torque is equal to, that is mb sin theta. So torque is how much? That is 32 into 10 to the power minus 3. So is equal to m. You have to find magnetic field is, that is 16 into 10 to the power minus 2. 16 into 10 to the power minus 2. Sine angle कहते हैं 30 degree. So this is m is how much? That is 32 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 16 into 10 to the power minus 2. Sine 30 is how much? Half. This is 2884 minus 3 minus 2. तो कितना रहेगा? 4 10 to the minus 3 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. तो हमारा कितना है? m is equal to 0.4 ampere meter. 4 into 10 to the power minus 1, that is 0.4. Second is at stable position, stable equilibrium position, u is how much? U is minimum is equal to minus mb. तो m कितना बहला? 0.4. and b is how much? 16. So this is equal to 64 into 10 to the power minus 3, or that is equal to minus 0.064 joule. ठीक है. And unstable position रे, unstable equilibrium position, unstable equilibrium position u कितना होगा? max, that is equal to mb. तो mb रो वैल्यू बाहर करछो, तो एटा कितना होगा? that is equal to, that is 0.064 joule. तो 80 negative, 80 positive, because u minimum is equal to minus mb, u max is equal to mb. तो that is minus mb जो असला minus 0.064. तो mb कितना होगा? 0.064. ठीक है. तो at stable equilibrium position the potential energy is minus 0.064, and in unstable equilibrium position the energy is 0.064 joule. ठीक है। The next topic is current loop is a magnetic dipole. Current loop is a magnetic dipole. Meaning is when current flows in a loop, it acts like a magnetic dipole. When current flows in a loop or circular path, it acts like a magnetic dipole. बुझियो? तो हम माने मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट रे पढ़ी थिले एंड डिराइव भी करी थिले कि a circular current carrying conductor produces magnetic field that is straight in nature. एंड आमे गोटे सर्कुलर करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर नहीं कि तार एक्सियल फील्ड रे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बाहर करथिले. And the value of or the magnitude of magnetic field is this much, that is B is equal to mu naught by 2 I a square by r square plus a square to the power 3 by 2. This is the magnetic field due to a circular current carrying conductor at any axial point, which is r distance from the center of the circular current carrying conductor, carrying current I and having radius a. हमें कौन नहीं थिले टिके मन पके दोछु. You've taken a circular current carrying conductor. So let us say it is carrying current in anti-clockwise direction. ठीक है. So let the radius is a. Let us consider a point P, which is r distance from the center of the circular current carrying conductor. ठीक है. आमे गोटे स्मॉल लेंथ नउथिले and we a small length, तो this small length carrying a current I, तो से magnetic field create करूथिबो. तो सी point P रे it is creating a magnetic field in this direction, small magnetic field in this direction. तारो दीटा component थिला. This is cos theta component and this is sin theta component. ठीक है. दीटा component थिला, one is cos theta, second is sin theta. So this is dB cos theta, this is dB sin theta. Similarly आमे just गोटे opposite point नउथले and सी मध्य point P रे गोटे magnetic field create करथिला in this direction. तारो दीटा component थिला. तो this two cos theta component are cancelled out. These two cos theta components are cancelled out. रहिला only sin theta component. तो आमे दीटा small length नउथिले exactly opposite, and since it carry current, तो से a point a magnetic field create करूथिला and the cos theta component are cancelled out. रहुथिला only sin theta component. यदि total length को हमें integrate करिबा, तो we have derived the net magnetic field at this point. तो हमें कौन करूथिले all the sin theta component को हमें कौन करथिले, this is integrate करूथिले. तो हमरो okay, तो all the sin theta component को हमें integration करूथिले and we have derived the net magnetic field at point P due to the whole circular current carrying loop carrying current I at point P is B is equal to mu naught by 2 I a square by r square plus a square to the power 3 by 2. ठीक है. Okay, if we consider this a is small as compared to r, यदि एटा को छोटो कंपेयर करिबा, बहुत छोटो कंसीडर करिबा, तो we can neglect the term a square because if a is small, if a is less than r, तो a square is less than r square. तो we can neglect this term a square. तो यदि neglect करिबा, तो रहिला कोन, this is r square to the 3 by 2. तो कटिजियो दिस इज स्क्वायर रहिबो कोन क्यूब ठीक अछि ओके इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई हियर एट गोटे मल्टीप्लाई करा दिस इज 2 पाई तळे डिवाइड करे 2 पाई तो this is et this is pi a square is the area of the circular loop तो एटा कौन लिख पारियो this is mu naught by 4 pi that is 2 I that is pi into a square area लिख दो divided by r cube so this is the magnetic field due to the circular current carrying conductor carrying current I in anticlockwise direction at point P. ठीक है since it is carrying magnetic field in this direction so we can say this is because हमें जानते हैं magnetic field always travel from north pole to south pole तो a loop रो this is the north pole ହେଇଥିବ एटा south pole ହେଇଥିବ so that means this circular current carrying conductor which produce magnetic field at this position so for this is the north pole this is the south pole so that means it is a magnetic dipole it is a magnetic dipole ठीक है again if we consider electric field हम पढ़ीचे कि electric dipole two equal and opposite charge separated with a small distance let the distance is 2l at r distance from the center along the axial line यदि हमें electric field बाहर करिया the value is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube 2p by r cube and the direction is in this direction that is from negative to positive so if we consider this electric field and this magnetic field produced by the circular current carrying conductor in both the case magnetic field this is electric field both are proportional to this is r cube here you can say this b is inversely proportional to r cube here we can say this is e is inverse proportional to 1 by r cube so in both the case they are proportional to 1 by r cube and in both the case the direction is same so we can say this the value or the magnitude is similar this is electric field this is magnetic field ठीक है and this a electric dipole produces this electric field तो यदि गोटे सर्कुलर करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर अछि तो इट प्रोड्यूस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड तो इट इज ए मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल बुझलो तो दैट मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल प्रोड्यूसेस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इन दिस डायरेक्शन ठीक है तो एट ही दिस electric dipole produces electric field in this direction this magnetic dipole produces magnetic field in this direction so that means if you compare these two magnitude they must be similar so we can say this is the dipole of electric field so we can say if you compare these two we can say this current must be the dipole or magnetic dipole for this magnetic field so again I am saying this electric dipole produce electric field in this direction so that's why this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 2p by r cube so this current carrying conductor act like a dipole and its magnitude is its magnetic field at this point is b is equal to mu naught 4 pi 2 I into r cube so this I into a which produces the magnetic field act like a magnetic dipole so we can say this I into a is the magnetic dipole moment of for this current carrying loop which produces a magnetic field. बुझलो? Again I am repeating, the circular current carrying loop carrying current act like a magnetic dipole whose magnetic moment or magnetic dipole moment is current flowing in the conductor and area of the loop. ठीक है? In vector form we can say this, since I is a scalar quantity, so we can say this m is equal to I into area vector. Area is a vector quantity whose direction is perpendicular to the surface. ठीक है? तो our kotha, what is the direction? So we can say the direction of this magnetic dipole moment is same as that of area vector. ठीक है? और we can say एठी हमें बाहर करथले magnetic field by taking right hand thumb rule. तो एठी मध्ये we can we can say if I is the current, A is the area, then the magnetic dipole moment for this current carrying loop can be found by this right hand thumb rule. So direction can be found by right hand thumb rule. ठीक है? If the coil contains n number of turns, तो we can say एठी हमें m गोटे मल्टीप्लाई करिया और एठी मध्ये m गोटे मल्टीप्लाई करि परिबा if the coil contains n number of turns. तो m is equal to nia और m is equal to nia. ठीक है? यूनिट कौन हबो? That is, तो m एठी n is a constant, I ampere, area is meter square. तो ampere meter square, the unit is ampere meter square in SI system. Dimension कौन होगा? That is, ampere means area, sorry, ampere means that is current, तो A1, and meter square is length, तो length square, तो M0 L2 T0 A1, or you can say this is L2 A1. ठीक है? ओके, टिके रिवाइज करिवा आउथरे. तो if a circular current carrying loop, or we can say if a current is flowing in a circular current carrying conductor, again I am saying if a current is flowing in a circular current carrying conductor, then it act like a magnetic dipole. ठीक है? तो or you can say this current loop is a magnetic dipole. आमे गोटे सर्कुलर करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर जदि नबा, at r distance from the circular current carrying conductor, the magnetic field produced by the current carrying loop carrying current I at this point is B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 into I into A by R cube. So since it produces magnetic field, there are north pole गोटे थियो, south pole गोटे थियो. So for this loop, this is the north pole, this is the south pole. Because magnetic field जदि जाउची, it is always from north to south. And second thing, if it is having north and south, so it is a magnetic dipole. So a current loop is a magnetic dipole. ठीक है? जदि हमें गोटे electric dipole नबा, at r distance from it, it produces electric field whose magnitude is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 p by r cube. ठीक है? So if you consider these two, this is magnetic field, this is electric field. The electric dipole produces electric field. This magnetic dipole, due to the circular current carrying conductor or current flowing in the circular loop, the magnetic field is in this direction. ठीक है? And whose magnitude is mu naught by 4 pi 2 into IA by R cube. Electric dipole magnitude is this. Magnetic dipole magnitude is this. If you compare these two, both E and B are inverse proportional to R cube and the direction is same. So we can say this quantity, if you consider these two, we can say this quantity I into A can be considered, or can be considered as a magnetic dipole whose magnetic moment is I into A. So the dipole moment of the magnetic field due to the current loop is M is equal to I into A. ठीक है, and if it contains n number of turns, we can say this is NIA. ठीक है, and the direction can be found by right hand thumb rule. Okay.